Alright, like I done, we're about to head out for the night. You see me? So this is the fit. You understand? This is the fit, brother. Class, you see me? Come on, you have to make it. You see me? The fit. Bring the camera down so you can see it. You understand? Mad move vlog. We're doing it for the vlog tonight. You understand? So Bones is here. Everybody is here. We're gonna head out, man. You understand? 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 Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See the vlog. See it there.
I'm trying for man.
Do it for the vlog. You done. Yo. Told you guys already, man. Doing it for the vlog. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. You see me? Vlog. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up.
See your arms that you got around me.
Pick up yourself on the vlog, Uncle Valley. You see me?
Someday
Gonna walk up.
so I'd rather to live than holding on.
What's going on, vlog? Listen, we're about to head to Dutch Spot, get some food. You see me? To Lisa Kiaya. Mad. Lexus, nice, man. But Dutch Spot is a Jamaican chain restaurant that has some decent food down here. So we're gonna see what's going on with it, guys. That dude ain't playing over there. Look at that guy. He said, I'm a Trump supporter.
Never surrender.
I'm a Trump supporter. Look at that. God darn it. So there you go. Alright guys, we just got to the Dutch Spot. As you can see, a Jamaican restaurant. So let's go see what's going on inside. See if we can get some decent food. This is my vlog. Yeah, I have to do it for the vlog, isn't it?
For the vlog.
Oh, pull. So I got some time. Dutch Spot vlog, what you think? Oh, sorry. Juice is over there, watch it. Yeah, man. Nah, tell a lie, yo. The flavor in the air just smell lit, man. You don't smell it? Free smells. Smell good in here for real, man. Things smell good, vlog, isn't it? Check out the menu. See this, guys, the history of Dutch Spot. It look like it started in Manchester. I didn't even know that. So that's what's up, man. So you see that? You can have a restaurant from the islands and make it in America with it. So now this is a chain over here in Florida. Really good food. Fried chicken, I get chopped up. Watch it. Yeah, man. Dutch Spot. You see me? Jamaican vibes what I did now. Feel like we're there at the yard. You see me? No, just the one, man. Just a taste. You know have the tambourine ball too? See the vlog? I see you. Feel like you take set for me from what day, you know?
From when they first met you?
No. You see me before. You can't forget that face, you know?
Alright, so 3
First Dutch Spot worker, this me see her do her job in a vlog. So why your channel?
I don't have a name yet. That's why I said soon.
Wanna big up on yourself then. Big up Dutch Spot, isn't it? I saw you sometime. Alright vlog, we about to go into this Key Food supermarket. Try to go see if we can get some cheap Jamaican chips and all this other stuff.
Some couple before you
So I go sometime. I see what they in that vlog. Is it my Florida sun? So the grocery store look vlog. Nice, compact. Nice grocery store smell, you know? Hello, hello. Four for $2. Look at this, guys. Chubby. This is a Jamaican drink that I haven't seen this in a while, yo. I used to drink this as a kid. That's crazy. So we're gonna have to get a couple of these. You know what I mean? They got different flavors, as you guys can see. Look at that, even the cream soda Chubby. That's crazy. I haven't seen this in a while. Alright, vlog, see it there? Don't know if I get a couple of them here, isn't there? It's a 2 Irish mush. I look on the cart already, watch it. Look at the cart already, guys. For the youngsters that don't understand the Jamaican patois. So why else I get? Let me forget one more Irish mush, you know. You know, I could just make it 4. Make it 4 vlog. No, because I need, you know what I mean? Had to make it 4 vlog, isn't it? Because you know when you drink one, then it's only gonna be one left. You gotta even it out, isn't it? Stacking up some stuff to head back up. Just got back to the crib, isn't it? Food, everything there, vlog. You see that? Mad move. So let's go do a mukbang. About to go do a mukbang, you feel me? Nah, I play with them vlogs. We ain't playing with them. Now look at this.
What am I for this one?
Natural juice from Dutch spot. You understand? This is what? Watermelon lemonade. I'm hoping the stuff tastes good too. So I'm sure it will. And this one, I'm definitely excited for this one. You know, 100% coconut water. This shit literally look like water though. Like, what if they gave me water in the bottle and there's no coconut water in there? No, I'm saying, like, what if it's actual water, but they just slap some? You know what I mean? Because this junk really look like water. And then Lisa got the bigger. There's a pineapple bigger. See that no vlog? Watch it. Brown stew chicken. We got a red velvet cake. We got the fried chicken, rice and peas, plantain. And then what's this? Oxtail? Oh, that's jerk. Oh, jerk. Yo, shut up. No, cause I never know. Quick too. Okay. The jerk pork look bad though, man. I'm telling a lie. Isn't it? Oh, and that's the what is it again?
Is that the salmon patty?
Yeah, I think that's a salmon or shrimp patty.
Give them a review on that.
Yo, I ain't never seen that shit in my life though. I ain't gonna hold you up. I've literally never seen no salmon patty in my life. Oh. Like the food look good, isn't it? Oh shit. Here's hot pepper. You ever put that all over the chicken?
Yeah, let me have some.
Also like this?
My friends, my heroes,
Put it with
my
butter.
Nationals,
Put it around.
Dragutin has it done.
Alright.
No, they don't need it at all.
Oh damn, it's oh crap. I'm like, why'd I drink that cup?
No, exactly.
You drank shit under there. Say it sometime. Alright, blood, see that.
Occupies every man, every woman, every child. We will rip the heart.
Yeah, I think we gotta try this.
Rice. I'll give this rice on a scale of 10. Taste it again. Nice soft texture, man, for real. This rice can definitely be a good solid 8.5 out of 10. Even with the peas. Or the pork peas. coconut on okay.
The pork.
It's bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, what you give?
I'll give it a 8.9.
Dang, that's a high rating for some pork. Huh? We try this fried chicken now. Cause I ain't gonna lie, this junk look like it's about to be fire. Now look at this.
You need to try that.
Hold on.
Russian spy.
Moscow bombed this place to shit.
Yo, this chicken tastes like I'm in Jamaica.
You know, Britain and Russia have to let me rock in a pit. Allow me to extend the same courtesy.
Damn, this chicken is definitely. I'll give this a 9.5 out of 10. But for real. Damn.
You love the fried chicken.
That junk slaps. It's just the way Jamaicans just put their twist on stuff. They make it good, man. The steamed cabbage, out of 10, I'll give it a solid, I'll say 7. But it's, man. This make me want to go back to get some more. Fried chicken bud. Senorita, hola. What do you want to say to the vlog?
Hey!
Right?
Hi.
I'm gonna try the 100% coconut water that looks like actual water. I'll be mad if this is actual water. It smells like coconut. Tastes like coconut too. But why does the consistency look like water so much though? Smell like coconut, taste like coconut, that's good enough for me. Travis said to the vlog.
Once again, may I go with something that belong to him.
Man, chill out and give my bomba code. Lost your mind.
Right?
Caleb, what you have to say? What you have to say?
Say bye, uncle. Bye, uncle.
You soon know, man. But they always have some stuff like that, you know.
Uncle give a ball.
Uncle just get him on a ball, bouncy ball. You see me? So last night here, guys. So we're pretty much packing. You know what I mean? We're about to go head out, go out one last time, and then we're gonna hit the road, go back to Michigan in the morning. We're going somewhere off the beach. So where's the charger? Alright, vlog, big up on yourself and Uncle Valley Writer. So you see me? We haven't said to the vlog, man. YouTube, you know.
Yes, bless up the flag.
Bless up the flag. Don't talk go out for the night, you see me? Rudy Valley. Yo, this dude ran from Kingston in Jamaica all the way to our country. What do you want to tell the people about that?
It's a marathon team.
But yo, that's a true story, man. I look on Batty boy and so this man I wait upon him. You see vlog? Niggas like that they put a bullet in there, you know? But yes vlog, we out here, man. Just turned the camera on the low light mode. Airbnb, one last night time for the vlog, you see me? So we about to go and drop my uncle off. You see me? Pick up Danny. And then head to some nice little chill spot for a quick minute. We don't plan to be out all night. Because we had to start hitting the road by like 6 in the morning. Oh, you haven't said to the vlog, man. You haven't said to the vlog.
Big up on yourself, you know what I mean? About to go back home. Sad. And I had to stop, but you know, real life continues.
Yes, sir.
Big up on yourself still.
Back to work.
Back to real life, you know what I mean?
Alright, let me roll up my window up on a nigga here, man. Alright. So we'll go past and I walk by the beach or something. Like, you know, a lot. No, like a lot. Drunken taco. Yeah, like literally right behind it. I don't know. Land speed the thing. Nice little rock bar. You see this vlog, the rock bar. Nice, man. This junk is lit, guys. Lit. Beautiful experience. Imagine on the weekends, like the party vibe here, probably. Over here playing some chess. Fun of food vlog. Yes, vlog. Good.
Nah, with the wings.
Why you trying to
Never tell us.
Now look what you did. Fucking. So now you tell me I leave my baby with you, girl. You gonna be running behind that truck trying to catch up. That's what I'm telling you. So, hey, girl, I feel sorry for you. Why the fuck are you video? What the fuck?
I want a record.
Big up yourself, vlog. Alright, guys, rock bar. Vegan rock bar. And here's the beach over here. Let's see if I can get the beach on the vlog. It's super windy out here. I should have brought the DJI mic too with the windscreen. But this is freaking insane. Like the fact that I can literally see the beach this clearly. Like this DJI, man, this is absolutely truly a beast. Look at this shit. Bro, this sensor is insane, man. And I think that was somebody just on the beach right there where I was. So that's kind of weird. Like, why are you just sitting at the beach right there? Holy crap, there's somebody else right here. Okay, let me just get down. I don't want to be just recording homeless people and stuff like that. But this is pretty insane, man. Like, the lighting out here is very minimal. Like literally, it's literally coming from the building right here. And I can see very clearly on this. DJI really outdid themselves, man. But that's about to be it for this vlog. We heading back in. Call it a night. Next vlog y'all see, gonna be us heading back to Michigan.
I'll see you tomorrow, bro.
It's been real, Florida. Definitely won't be back anytime soon. Bone's telling me she got her car hit earlier. Which tire? The butt tire?
Yeah, right here. But my wife is out.
You want to put that once?
Yeah.
Where?
But they can't see like look, see?
Oh, she got a little hit right here.
And what's it like, bro?
Yeah. Just try to be careful with it, yo.
Bro,
It's clean though. I love the color on it too.
See when they let me carry on?
You never went him there. She just gotta get some like, what's it called, to rub this off, rub the tape off from when somebody tried to break. Like she bought the car, and then literally the next day somebody like broke the back window. Like, man, that's messed up. But yes, vlog, oh dear, is it man? Oh dear, vlog, is it me night time? DJI low light mode, is it me? Mad move, big up in yourself. Until next time. See it now? Big up yourself. Just remind me about my jacket. You see me? You forget big up for that. Because I see you never said nothing now while ago. You're wicked, you know? You're wicked for that, man. If you come to Florida and see Bones, make sure you don't have no nice jacket or none, because I want you to try to take it. See there? See there? Bones, big up yourself, you know, you see me?
Watch it vlogging.
You see me? Big up yourself, you know, Bones. Big up yourself, you know. Ready? Ready for the road tomorrow. Back to Michigan, guys.
You don't know if it's a worrisome child.
Back to Michigan. Back to Michigan, you see me?
Exactly.
You see me? Watch it now.
You understand?
Movie want make out there, you know.